I'm out here by the former Aberdeen station of the former B&O Railroad. Let's check out the restoration efforts. Hopefully a blue tarp means that they're restoring the station after all. Well, what else can it mean? But other than that blue tarp, I don't see much else being done to restore it. And now trackside. As I said, not much being done other than being covered by a tarp. If that's their way of waterproofing it, don't think it's going to work. But at least they've taken step one. I'll take the rest of the steps. But I recall that station when it's seen better days. Hopefully they can restore this station to its former glory and have trains stop here again. But of course that part's up to CSX. But hopefully that blue tarp means restoration in progress. And if you would like to help the restoration efforts, here's some FYI for you. So get to it.